Hello, my friend. Good morning.
Good evening.
Goodbye. See you soon. See you soon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please.
Excuse me, please.
I'm sorry.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Take care.
A mother hugs her daughter. A father smiles at his son.
A brother talks to his sister.
A boy plays with his sister. A mother holds her little son. A father walks with his daughter. A woman carries her child. Two friends laugh together. This is a man. This is a woman. This is a boy. This is a girl. A mother holds her baby. A teacher talks to the students. A student sits with books. A man waves to his neighbor. A happy family stands together. Two friends walk together. A family stands close together. A group of people are in the street. She is happy. He is sad. She is tired. I love you.
What's your name?
My name is John. Where are you from?
I am from France.
Let's go!